Were bya mwancho mo ligereria ndonse so ligete TV ya magoroba ya lero litukaliga lya chumaine chitaki kienda chiomo tienyi oi 12 mwaka wa 2025 kine kionga chinsa ibira senchira yobo ikirano chani ngongoro kwa ronyo toto nyangire uitogwatana kwa ntemanyerio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makoli naya negatiana kwa ngiri mwancho mo ligereria magoroba ya lero.
So our promise is train locally, work globally, and we will make that happen for Kenyan youth, and we want them to support us as we bring more and more opportunities in Kenya.
Eskuru yobugundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic kubwatirana amo nense ya Australia soko kendelia amasomo ime eskuru yo.
Twabarorire toigure buya na into kerto sangama na abana banga buna abaiga ba abana bamuna moreiga mogogeti nonye ni nurero mwenge training moigweti buya
obosemi kogendre kurwigwa mamincha yo gusaro ko mwana munyaroka hanne mono chinga kejiga cyo motemoko omotambe.
Something happening and we are not doing anything. It must be structured. So let's sit down with my team. Let's agree, even with the investigators, public health, what is expected. What is it that I'm supposed to bring?
Ababwatani bya bisi yo musalya monne bwa serikali gose ODPP gotarira county ya Nyamira na gusanga mono mugavana Amos Kimominyaribo. Mwancho mo ligerle konga chisabere to chakana mangana akobwatekana igoro yechisemi na gochingira emyaka 50 mo yogobwatana gati yanse ya Kenya monense Australia litukolia lero nigo ense Australia yanakia na kobekesei ogobwatana gati yense yo amo neskuru yo wundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic asebanya kaba kwandike buna kubwatana ukoni gukorachi kwandike buna aboroki kwa bago somasa skuru yo ngonya bara megelia bwendata yorachi kunya kaba konya asobogi mabuga bokera lituku wakera lituko chinga kibanya kwa bago kora aesukuru muri kitoda ni nturi nigekirana ase chinseme chine gutwale nli robot rokubwati.
Kisii National Polytechnic nemo yichiskuru isana berega Kenya ichichigendrete kubwatirana nense ya Australia ase kirenge kyekenene nase ntunda ya kabirero abo bisabaiga nigo bakuru kuigwana iginto kirachiko konye gikundi kende kyabora kigwa konyeka na migerio waigo chigasi nsende onsi yokugania kwabo.
As we move forward, we are simply saying yes. Our strength as a country is the young people that we have. We pride in our education that we have. But then the question that we have is, does it resonate very well with the expectations of Australia? Does it speak to the needs of Australia? And that is why we are here to say we need to be deliberate, we need to be intentional, we need to make sure that whatever we are doing here, with the good education that we are offering, we should not be oblivious of the fact that we also need to make sure that the education we have also addresses the needs of that particular country, because every other country is unique.
Ukwana chinga kecho niko bakwanire ukugania koraro ukugokora umurubiriga na mono chinga kechiga abasaba Kenya bange bagendrete gukore bikoroto gutara nebisero asikirenga yokwelgere bibarwa.
So we are very proud that we are part of this bigger picture where Kenya is trying to move up with the skilled labor going abroad and bringing opportunities back home. So our promise is train locally, work globally, and we will make that happen for Kenyan youth, and we want them to support us as we bring more and more opportunities in Kenya.
John Akola no mwarimu munene ase skuru ye oteba okugwa no kwiga no kurikirana ngojugokia ng'enang'eni yaboroki gwa bange asubugima.
We are running the second cohort, which will start in January. The current cohort that we have comprises of about 22 trainees who are actually undergoing the training for 52 weeks. And after 52 weeks, they'll be able to be awarded different skills with accreditation from the Australian government. And therefore, they are able to work, be employed, and get job visas to Australia.
aiga nigagocha chingaki okobora gwechigasi kogenderete kobegetange kenene asa basai abaganitie kwegendereria obe bwabairere gotigara hasi chinyororo chobotaka ekyo gekobairera wesonania hasi obusaria bweching'encho ao egento kebaisa kobasereria magimabo nkurubuteregeta seni kiagatembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii litrene ngurukwo Daniel Ontiri
na mwanjo murigereri tukolia lero niga bwatani korosi ABC yo musali munne bwa serikali igose Office of Director of Public Prosecutions Renton Igonga yanya kabago talira ABC yo mugavana bwa county ya Nyamira omusika munyaribo atwanya kabago sanga amange annemono igoro ya mangana ya bwatani kurwania obokurumi sensemu yaye mugavana nyaribo nigata abuna ya ABC yo niga yaberega gukora emirimo emiya ase yanya kabago kane kiabuna oboene bwa bange konyara bole
I think the way you're conducting yourself, every Kenyan is aware, and we are happy the work you are doing because it's fair. If the case does not merit prosecution, you return it for further investigations, and we realize that's a big role because you may prosecute somebody who is innocent. And although I know some people are in jail for cases, for crimes they never committed because of some circumstantial errors, because you can be found at the scene of crime, you were just passing. You are told to explain how this man died.
You have no answer.
And you have no answer. Such things happen, but with your office now, with the professionals, and I think most of them are here, big, strong delegation, which is backing you. I know justice will always be done. Asante sana, as you think this is good because you come to know the ground.
Yes.
Kuruko hearing about Nyamira, you don't know where Nyamira is, you can see it in the map, but it's good you come to know the people of Nyamira and get to understand so that when you are in Nairobi, you can be able to make judgments based on the people you understand.
Then one final thing I forgot to ask.
Yes.
You know, we are also looking for land to put up our office, and some county governments have given us land. Most county governments. Yeah, so
Mwanjo murigeli ABC ya National Government Affirmative Action Fund ase county ya Kisii litukolia lero nigo ya jana kibage gutalira chinsemo chia mwamusioma ime ward ya Nyatieko bunge ya Kitutu Chache South ase oboseme bagenda kuregwa igoro yogosarwa gose igoro yokurwania ogosarwa kwa mwana omonyero kana mono chinga kechiga cyo mutimoko abarokigo gose abana banyaruka gwetane 50 niko baigwa obosemia anene mono chinjira ao baranyaka bagwetanga kurwa ase ogwetera ebitambukiro mune bigose bikole bunebyo
Bono ofisi y'omweshimiwa Donya ebintu ebina byanchete gokora kera omwaka. Actually kera omwaka ebintu ebingokorekana bire abana buna abaiga abasinini babwenere batigirwe network yabe gento kyabo getenene buna gekoreteki buna kereigo nonde tabaisi gokoreki tabaisi kosari network yabana abaiga nanda asore kenyoro nonyo konyoro omwana onde bwensi okosarwa onyaruka egento nkobasaba buna ino nche ndoche ino nabantu tabaya sana emoko report egento ekyo twaminyokani mate tokominyokania mana abantu abo senaki bono muno mweshimiwa Donya agoteba abana buna aba basinini bakinire iga mwaroro twachire buya muna atotoma twaikire iga twabarorire twaigure buya na intwe kerto gusangama na abana banga buna abaiga abana aba muna more iga mogogeti nonya ninu rero mwenge training moigweti buya iga nari buya bone kere mogosoka gochisiko gari inwe mate bono more complete more naki more buya onde tabaisi gokoraki tabaisi kobogosekerera kende gionsi mwaigure Monto tabese ko te ngaye ti kwaro getacha ko goseke gente kyo nkeyo ngekore tiki nkeyo bari bakonya kolike mitandao igoro yegente kega bache masabu mega iga babwate sia bangina abaiga tokonye abana aba baita abasini bago kinamba akoraki baba ese gosarigwa nando nsi asegente kekere kekikerigu kabisa gerigete kyoko sara abana chinyaruka gekoreki kegikerigwe nande gesire pipi ntutaketi koigu gento kenga bune kitaiboigo gente kengeri gokoraki mwana nyaruka ta koraki bono rojengi ugo chigokore yanga yo mwana nyaruka ime gokore
nabo igo mwancho murigereri abesi yo mumere bo musiketa nya dorisi aburi inseli aburi dia team donya charity mission nigo yanya ko gutarira chinsemo chia sameta mukwerero ebunge ababasi zwanya kwa aba korwa obokonyi no gusira aho chiase chia mata chiri chibwate umuchando bwechinda eye neganga yemo yabo yabirige gosegetwa korwa se o ABC yo mumerere puyo kurwania muchando bwechinda na abamenyi bechinseme cyo nigo banyaka bakokera igitambukirekyo
Samaria Tangor Robert Osoro Masan Chief Nyagancha Sublocation rero igase sublocation yane ya Nyagancha ndobwata obobisa korwase office yo mo women rep moske donya toto bachire kurwa bokonya se sublocation yane sabantu bali baboto bokongo bwechinda basibiri babekera mariogo naende babairo bokonyi bwechindagera nebintu bakorarera abokongo bwechinda mbwasirete lakini mbole bokase kenyoreke kiane lakini ko bwatisiwa no mo eshimiwo ito donya toto indoche okonyira abantu bane naende nkomosabera agendere gokonya abantu ba Kisii County biamana
na mwancho murigereria abana inchi kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo bante gosamigwana mono igoro yo kwebwatania nebyombe nezukulia rero nigo basemi obwanyako bakuru guchese abagambi obwanyako bagosegetwa kurwo basemi nesegeto guchesa abana inchi babutambe kwebwatania se ebyombe gose chisako libanyako bagwekonya buna gotumanya murikito Paul Cup Okara
ubunenjere ye moyo gokinya bali bokonyoro wense nigo ababwatania abaiga besake jiga yerigo community development sako banyarako bakomerana amona abagambi bakuragwamo no mu DCC bwe sub county ya Masaba North aba chief nabo na aba assistant chief kubwatana amona abanyamaye kurwase chinsemo elioko basemya bunenjere ye moyo ko ira mangana je guchase binyorime endokerere ababwatania abange kwebwatania amone sake jiga elio kwegendereria
bone gento giatoreta rero tuire chi abirangeri bikonye batoire egera abantu bali baitu batamanyiti balinse noko gento nkira abantu bali bakoita into tumanyiti ngelone negento konya kugoita bono batu butabini ngabono asero gento kiriko toita percentage yeto gwakana yechironi igerinse
wadi jiga yerigo mane ya moye chigwadi ejo chire gwe Cameron gebere meye county ya Nyamira ejo chacha kiremero biliga yuko basira abantu bokonyora wense nomurubiryo onyaraka bwo gwikiraniwa amohono mu MC kurwase wadi ga yerigo momos Kenya mbega gisesa oyogendere ko baga kubasigeta abana inchi kurwase wadi ga kunyaraka bakwibwatanya sake yiga chinga kiboigo airere emirubiri serikali ya county bwate oja asokinya bali bokonyora wense inyerekane buya bune isake yiga nigebe getogosemere kwa basobolemi
chigodi kuminja choletwe igo mana yama ya choletwe egere chikwa kuchwesichiga ari kumanya abaminto bali meyeri gomanga tiatokoromukia tocha sesako egere tuchiko benefit
ngancho mu MC ori gomong'oru nandi ng'anto county ya Nyamira twatetia abantu baito on the need yogo sesako go save torore na kitora kinde go chimutu papa sie meeting ye no nyote abantu baito wono ndo wade sako asemo go save ngago go save 1 million shillings ng'anto county ko project tubwate o come to another 1 million shillings ona bongo te antu baita banya biasara abari onde bwens pio karaga siende yonsi osebu
igati abali bekena sayega nigo bagendere ko bako enne kyango oboitambura sesako nabo igo nigo bagendere ko bako basigetana nene balia bekiaregeke kweni kimunango ibwatani bali nechisake chiga echo chirabakonye ruka abanene banyarako bakwegendereria nabo igo gukuru botaka kurwase binyoro ime
abantu abake bagukina nonye na bataratwara abantu mwesi muganeirie ase esake eye egere esake eye ekoe chibesa nkeiga ochake biashara binde bwerika yo monyene kubuganeti ng'a uriku na serikali
toire amang'ana ya sabaremi egere amang'ana food security ya serikali ebegete agenda yake nere backbone ye serikali oboremi bosuke ende abantu uchumi echebuya nere yebona korukunga bottom up ya serikali gochakera inse gochiguru
omwele oye nigo babasigitira abananchi korwase wadeiga yerigoma kwene kibuna ngweri kyabale asisa kiriga egekogera bwango muno nigo barachikunyaraka bakonyole nengo iyo barachikunyaraka bagutumika kubohorenganamo no kuboserana kuri barachikunyaraka bakuboserania iryo banyaraka bakwegenderia soboremi nabego no bwonchilio bokoboke ase amagimabo
nale koboria bamenyi berigoma through representatives barengerero aba chief aba clan elders basomigwe egere bamanyo buya bwesako
n'abantu abura no tuwa gukora mobilization igaiga egere twikire 600 members ndubulira abantu bakegere twikire 600 members egere tobe abamasori bacho kwa uchiwesichiga
tuise ko bamo ande tuinwe ward yeito gwetera ase sakeye nabo torakonyeke ntotiga ward chinde chitobwe ase sema yoboremi
inko reporter igetasini kya wanjide kya gatembe kuruga Gaston Semechiga Chirigoma imeye sub county ya Masaba North imeye county ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
na mwanjo murigereri omu nachibina omonene omu sike David Kenani Maraga nigo agendere kumwachia serikali ase mirobali yari agenda kone kya chinsemo asanya ko bagotanga tirabaga okonya abakenya asense mende nikanyara ko baga kobulia abakenya gusabuli serikali gututararo murubiro sha na boigo kwirana guchiso murubiro mukoro gwene NHIF boigo nikanyara ko baga gukondera buna nigo baraji kunyara ko gusigara kunyara ko baga kurikarangera kyae igoro yemirobali yokonya egati yetishare chie ekiombe kote chie company ya Safaricom na boigo kubwatana ukwanya kubekwa goiko gati yense ya Kenya na boigo ense ya America igoro ya mangana ya bachana.
Power to the young people, more power. More power.
Ya ku improve ile NHIF vile ilikuwa inafanya ile kasoro ilikuwa nayo. Sasa imekuja ingine ambao inaibia wananchi na haifanyi kazi. Yara ambao tunakubaliana na makanisa ya kwamba hiyo kitu ifutiliwe mbali, turudi kwa NHIF mpaka system mpya ipatikane ambayo inaweza kusaidia wa Kenya. Sasa hii ambao tuko nayo haisaidii wa Kenya. We are going to make a statement when we have the facts about what exactly they are selling it for, what they are selling them for. And there are even many others, a few things that have happened in the first few days. Like the agreements the president signed in the US. We want to get the details of that agreement so that we can make a comprehensive statement. Tufurahi ni vile inafanywa. Kama unakumbuka kwanza kulikuwa na a French company ambayo ilikuwa imepegwa kandarasi ya hii barabara. Hiyo kandarasi ikafutulia mbali. Vile nakumbuka Kenya ililipa zaidi ya bilioni 6. Kama ile tunaita damages. Ile vile mambo inafanywa ndio atupendelei. Barabara kila mtu anahitaji. Tupigane na wizi. Tupigane na wizi wale ambao wako mamlakani wameiba mali ya serikali mpaka serikali karibu inasimama. Mnajua vile elimu ya watoto wetu iko, mnajua vile matibabu yako, watu vile wanasumbuka na mambo mingi yale ambao tutaangalia wakati tutakuja.
Gentlemen, on the 7th and 8th of December 2025,
to reset, restore and rebuild Kenya, that we commit to stick together as the young people of Kenya to work as a team as we approach the 2027 general elections, both in getting out the vote as well as protecting the votes.
Na umurandi Javani Bokea wekanzo ya Christian Reformed of East Africa ime yechinza machio gembo niganya kabaga kubolia serikali amana barai bonsi kunya kabaga wesokia na gotiga ukungusana na nilibagalia ye koimukie bitambukiro byogo konya umwananchi obotambe soko genderia nobogima bwaye bwakira lituko.
Mimi Askofu Javani Bokea wa Christian Reformed Church of East Africa, ninaomba serikali yetu iweze kufika mwananchi karibu, tufanye maendeleo sisi wote kama Mkenya, tuweze kuungana mkono, tuache mambo ya marumbano, tuache mambo ya vita, tuweze kujenga nchi yetu tukufu ya Kenya. Mtukufu Rais aweze pia kufikiria namna ya kufikia Wakenya wote kimaendeleo, atusaidie tunapendelea na maisha, na pia gharama ya maisha imeenda juu kidogo, Rais aweze kupunguza. Ningependa kusema serikali yetu iweze kuangazia masuala ya vijana, wanapofanya programs zao waweze kuleta vijana, waweke karibu, wasipague vijana, maana ndio wingi katika jamii, ili tukiungana pamoja Kenya yetu itakuwa bora kabisa na kila mtu atajihisi yuko sawa. Asante, tunashukuru Mungu, tunatakiana sikukuu njema na mwaka mpya.
Mwanjo muligererio mugavana omukorobwe kaunti ya Nairobi Mwesike Mike Mbovi Kioko Songo niganya kaba gagwa cioria na gocokia kiama kiaye kiyeri tukuria lero magayo kaigwe certificate na ABC yo poliki bwe bia mali tukuria lero kiama kimanyekete na National Economic Development Party gago chikorawa amo nere Mwesike Songo ase ribagari antenendra na boigo muliki bwe kiama kyo ni gakorokwa Ben Mulwa asabanya kaba kwandika mune kiama kyo ni gago chikorwa ribagari abano cha sabasae na boyo kwandika buna ngo mukia kere na kubeka emirobali ayo kwanakia ukina gwa uchumi ime yense ya Kenya.
The office of the Registrar of Political Parties has issued us with a full registration of our party, National Economic Development Party of Kenya. We started this journey in 2019, and then we lodged the documents in these offices in 2020. It has not been an easy journey, and I take this opportunity to thank the office of the Registrar of Political Parties and its entire team, our founder members. I think they're here with me, and there are no new faces to you guys. For instance, our chairman is none other than Dr. Nyamu. Dr. Nyamu is a non-gynecologist. He used to be my director at Pumwani Hospital during my tenure as the governor of Nairobi. Then we have our SG, Ben Mulwa here. He also used to be my PA. We have Honorable Nancy. We have a team of Gen Zs here. We have the Kemu President, Madam Masai, who is the Deputy Party Leader.
My name is Ben Mulwa, the Secretary General of the National Economic Development Party. And we want to take this opportunity to thank first His Excellency Governor Mike Sonko for the support, the tremendous support that he has accorded us in this journey. This is a journey that began 5 years ago, and as you can see, we have gone through every single step that is stated or stipulated by the Political Parties Act. And today, we stand here to celebrate this major accomplishment that gives the ordinary Kenyan a political party formed by Kenyans for Kenyans that is aimed at revolutionizing our politics and causing the next economic revolution in this country. There is no doubt that our country has been headed in the wrong direction for the last 6 decades. But finally, the people of Kenya have risen, and we have an opportunity to change our governance and create a political party that grants an opportunity to each and every citizen of this republic, regardless of where you come from. Lastly, and most importantly, I want to take this
opportunity to kodra enseme gentangani ya kionga chinsa ibere kolende tokwira na senseme ya kabere niko kuchikosanga na Dr. Ken Mose Unsari kurasini kita World Fit Health Center inse yomorobuli yokamenya kujya kebo cyane ugatosiko challenge ngo ngorwaro ne toto nyangiri na kurwa senseme imenyelio nigo to batana usana makoli kuranseme transmission nikakoro DJ Atsa nigo se Kevin Ongeri yari gotorbuligo bujami ya Gatembe TV ekionga kya Mungusi.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo enembe, ninjo dorome, mangana man, bangina ninjo.
Amate noro inda. Aye. Ayo ndigereti ayo mukungu oli umungino oli numba bagaka ali bandigeti no hani nuwa bayengoli. Bantu oli mundigeti no ali morase gete. Abwese muikaranze muligeretiga. No mate nge amate noro inda. No mate oro inda. Oro inda nege ntugete kompa kengabuna geta utaimuki. Ige kare bono amatera mo baigwana ine. Ige moraba kongo kabisa mwe kongereti pi. Abasongo batete na obo unity is strength. Kale more amo kabisa mo kwatere tegentamo. Bono mukusiramo kabisa gento ngeri kiraba sinye. Amate noro inda tiga gochaya nabo. Namono mali bandi bolense ma bulero. Mwanzi no ko kabantu ngo nomogoli ngo sengo yo mogoli yo. Sina kwa monereti. Amate noro inda tato itigaba unero gochora bakonya. Amate noro inda kabamo. Twaro bwa matubu yana abantu mumenya tamabu. Tihono ko kabanta malieta ndata iyo. Nalera abantu balero mwaro ko singa nabagulika. Isaba leno mukuru kalene nabwo abaleo na mwaro kanga investors. Na bakale to amagendera buse no goita atunda no ndigereti. Amate noro inda kabutwaro wa matubu yana abantu. Kai tigama chiesa iyo.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo enembe, ninjo dorome, mangana man,